Hopefully you can all hear me. And we are here with an AI gaming event. I'm going to be unmuting Teams, so hopefully you can also hear everyone else. Today is going to be a fun AI gaming event. As you can see, this is the second one that we're trying to run, so we fit into this one today, which is July for Asia. But if you're in a different region, don't worry, you can go ahead and join. If you were here yesterday, feel free to join as well. So yeah, hey everyone.
Hello.
Hi everyone. Thanks a lot for joining in.
So, thanks everyone for joining in. Let me just check redirect. Ganesh. Ganesh, yeah.
Hey,
Hello.
Hi
hello.
Ganesh.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're audible.
Oh, so, some uncertainties happened today. I think I will not be able to participate as much as I would have thought. But hey, I still have my mic working and I still can share my screen. So I think it should work. Okay.
Don't
Uh,
worry, Ganesh.
are,
All
are we
good.
are we are we starting with the discussion right now?
So what we actually do have a help channel set up in Discord as well, which we'll be
Hey
using.
guys, I'm here.
Hey, what's up? Okay, so we have Vijaya. Vijaya is one of our hosts for today. We actually have a lot of people here which will be helping out today. So if everyone wants to say hi, so my name's Salman. We've got Vijaya over here. We've got Ganesh. We have Sundar. We have Aditya. We have Siddharth. We have Nancy. We have Ayush, and we have Ganesh. For some reason, you're here again. So yeah, we have a lot of people here to help you out. We're gonna be guiding you. So
Yes.
feel at home, and it's gonna be fun. So the winner's gonna get a certificate as well. So I'll stop
Are you
talking,
able to
and
see my screen?
yeah, we're Ganesh. We see
Yes,
that.
Ganesh. We can see rows of
Oh,
talent.
Does everyone want to introduce themselves here? So we'll start with
Sure.
Vijaya.
Alright. Sure.
Vijaya. Go ahead.
Hey, that's Vijaya. Thank you, Ganesh. We'll come back to Vijaya.
okay. So, hello everyone. My name is Ganesh, and I'm a beta investor from Mumbai, India. And this is officially my fourth AI gaming event, and it is great to again enjoy and organize this thing. I hope to give you all a nice experience this fine day as we again join in this AI gaming experience. And it's great to have you here as well as working in this event.
Hi guys, my name is Vijaya. I'm an MSP from Dubai, UAE. So this is actually my first AI gaming event that I'm hosting. So yay! And also, you'll have to sign up for Azure in order to in order to create the bot required for the event. If you're unable to sign up for an for student email student Azure account, don't worry, I'll give you the key. So please mention in the chat.
Hey everyone. Thank you so much for joining in today. I am Aditya Obrai, a beta MSP from India. This is my second virtual international AI gaming tournament, and I'm so happy to be here to help out and work with all of you wonderful folks. So thanks a lot for joining in.
So, hello everyone. I'm Sundar Vishwa from India, Gujarat, and well, thanks for joining in. And well, this is my second event of AI gaming, and I'm really excited to see what kind of like reveals of code today I'm going to see.
Hi everyone, this is Nancy. I am a Microsoft student partner from India. This is my first AI gaming event that I'm helping and organizing. We as a team are really excited to bring this event for you all, and so we also expect that you are excited as well. So, yeah, just join in and enjoy this event with us.
Yo, Siddharth, speak.
Okay.
Yep. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi everyone. I'm Sadak, and I'm a MSP from the UK. It's my second AI gaming event, and my first gaming event was in person for the very first AI gaming event ever organized, which was in London, Reactor. So I'm really excited to see what kind of stuff you guys pull forth, and wish you all the best. And I hope you come up with some really good learnings and maybe some winnings.
Hey everyone, I'm Ayushman. I'm a beta Microsoft student partner from the UK region. Uh, this is my first AI gaming event, and I'm really excited to see what all things happen in this event. So I wish everyone good luck, and thanks for joining.
Thank you, everyone. So, do we have anyone else in the call? Let's see the participants. We have everyone's introduced themselves. I haven't actually introduced myself, so my name's
Shashi
Salman.
is there. Shushi is there.
Hey, Sashi.
It's not.
So, why are you calling
Hey,
him
Saucy.
Sushi? Why would you do that? Oh. So hi, Sashi. Hi. Do you wanna
Hey, hi.
just say a bit about yourself? Talk about your amazing stuff.
Amazing stuff. I don't have any amazing stuff. Like, okay, this is like the first time I have joined an AI gaming event, and I'm a beta milestone student ambassador from India. So I would like to learn and see how it goes, and if possible, I'll participate in the next event.
Awesome. Thanks. And yeah,
Hi, Saucy.
my name is Salman. I have done, I think I've run like 2 AI gaming events, one in Oxford and then one at Nottingham. So this will be my third. So I hope you all enjoy today. It's really fun. There are some things in the tutorials which you might want to try different methods for doing, and we can point you in that direction if you want any help. Yeah, so let's go ahead. Let's get going. So Ganesh is showing his screen, and he will walk you through a bit of that. That's not what we want to see right now.
Okay. So, I just forgot about how to just arrange this. Um, So
Okay.
all of this thing, are you still able to see my screen, or have
No,
you?
we can't.
No,
Yeah.
we can't see it right
Your
now.
screen.
Okay, so I will share it again, and this time it should be visible.
I
Okay,
want
with that,
everyone in the chat to let us know where you're joining from as well. If you're from India, let us know in the chat. Maybe say which part of India as well, because India is very large. So if you're from Asia, any other parts, like every single region's going out of my mind right now. Pakistan, China, if you're from Indonesia, Philippines, somewhere. Let us know. If you're not from Asia as well, feel free to put in the chat as well. So we've got Sandip.
so
He's saying, I'm also a
someone has
Microsoft
asked me
student
for the
partner.
link.
You guys are really an inspiration. Ooh, thank you. Hey, we have Romo in the chat, Roma. So Roma's will actually be in our next event. So we've got 15 minutes till the next event. So we're going to
Oh,
speed
go,
through this.
go. Sweet.
Vijaya's comment is under moderation. If you're unable, yeah, we'll show that. Cool. So we have this Discord as well. If you're not on a mobile phone, go ahead and join. We'll link that to you actually at the end of the call. Cool. Okay, we can see your screen, Ganesh. Go ahead.
So everyone, you must have gotten a link. So join the event, and if you just go on that link and joining the event, uh, you will see a pile of tournaments listed over here. But the first main part is that you should go ahead and register yourself. So I'm sure our people have given in the link for joining in the tournament event. If you haven't, just give it out. And what you have to do is just click on the event, and there should be a register button. If you click on it, it should be, you should be registered in the event. It's pretty easy. After that, you know, all of the work that you will be doing will be on this whole AI gaming platform. So they have this setup over here on this website. You don't need to have any local development environment or any kind of Python set up on your device. You can do it on the web if you just have a browser as well as a good internet connection. So after you have, registered yourself for the event and this kind of a screen shows up, so I hope my internet doesn't hang up on me and works hard in order to, show you guys how. Okay, so it has loaded. So this kind of screen is a dashboard of AI gaming portal, and as you can see, it is showing that my next event is for today, 6:30 p.m. GST time zone, and it's Croatia. So if I go over here and I am registered for this event, and if you go on and if you haven't, there should be a button to register yourself. Go ahead and do that, and after that, what you have to do is you have to register for the tournaments. So each event has different tournaments. Now for this event that we are having today, we have organized a test tournament as of now. So if you go ahead in game and view tournament button, if you click over here, you should see all the tournaments that we have for this event, and we have one right now, open, known as test tournament. So if you just click on it, it will ask you for registering. You click on the register button, and as you are a new, you know, you have registered for the 7th. For the first time, you will not have a file here. I have so some files. You will not have a file here. You have to click on the new file, enter AI gaming or anything, any name that you want. Enter a name. I will say AI gaming Asia. The file. I will add this file. And, okay. Cool. Recovery. Okay, so let's not do this way. The easiest way to do this would be to go in an editor, and this will open up the editor um, in which you can write up your code and do everything that is related to AI gaming. And as you can see, I have a few things over here. So I have a template bot. This is just a test bot that everyone has, something like that. And then what you can do is click on this new button and make sure that the game type selected here is match game. You shouldn't be able to change it as we support match game. Make sure that it is match game selected. Click on your Microsoft API template and select any name.
Ganesh, I think you're very quiet.
Okay. Am I audible now?
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, I can hear you
Okay.
well and loud and clear, Ganesh.
Okay. Okay. So if you just have I been non-audible for a long time, or is this just
No, it's go ahead.
should
Please
I
continue.
repeat? Okay. Okay. So if you click on this new button and Microsoft API template button and enter in any name, anything should work. Make sure that uh, make sure that you put in a name here, anything, and click on yes. It will create a bot for you, and this is a template bot that AI Gaming is giving you. So this should work. The only thing that you need to plug in over here, as of now, to make this bot running, is a cognitive services key, and all of the things related to cognitive services and how you can create a key about that is going to be handled by Aditya. Aditya, are you here?
Yeah, I'm
Do you
here.
want to take it away from
Definitely.
here and let them know
Sure.
how they can get this key? Awesome.
And
Uh,
I'm going to like plug myself in right here for like a moment.
Okay.
I'm going to repeat this one more time. So, if you're unable to create a student account for Azure, please approach me and I'll give you a key for that.
Yeah, join the Discord in the chat. That's where you can request help. We've got a channel there. Also think about how you want to create your keys, because instead of having to create separate individual services, like for example Face API and then computer vision, you could just use a multi-service key, which you can tell if it's a multi-service key by the actual endpoint. So if it says a region at the beginning, that's a multi-service cognitive service key. If it's not, it has a custom domain name. Well, not domain, but custom name at the beginning. That's a single service key. So think about how you want to do that. That could ease your process along the way.
I think
Definitely.
Aditya has a
Um,
correct.
I'll be on
yeah,
Discord for anybody's help. If
I'll join
anybody
in.
needs help.
All right. So if anyone has any trouble creating their student account, we've got Vijay handling that. In the meantime, I'll show how to create a cognitive services key on the Azure portal. All right. So let me just share my screen here. All right. There we go. Is my display visible?
Yeah. We're
Awesome.
gonna have to try get this within 10 minutes if we can.
Sure, that's not
Cool.
going to be a problem.
Awesome.
So when we run the bot, the cognitive services key is used to read the cards and check what objects are present so that they can be matched. For this, we have the computer vision um, present here. The computer vision API is used for that purpose particularly. So it's quite an easy process to create this key. All you do is once you've gone and you've clicked, you've typed in computer vision here in the resources maybe, and you're gonna end up on this display. Yeah, here we go. So that's how you find how to the computer vision key there in the marketplace. Once you've reached this screen, what you do is you click on create, and there you'll find a few forms to fill. Now the name you can choose on your own. Right, so let's take AI Gaming Asia here for this particular scenario. The subscription is going to be Azure for students. As all of you will have student accounts, you will automatically be able to view this subscription. Student partners who have achieved Alpha 2 level will also be able to see another option there, that is Visual Studio Enterprise. So they can use that as well. With the location particularly, we recommend that you go for West Europe, as that particular endpoint URL will already be present in your template code. So that will make things a little more convenient. You can choose another location, however, then you will again have to change the location there accordingly. So might as well go with the West Europe key in the first place. When it comes to the pricing tier, we recommend going for the standard S1. So that you do not end up in any bottleneck situations while the bot is actually running. The free would work as well, however, it would significantly slow down your bots. So do go with the S1 pricing tier here. The resource group again can be any particular. I have certain resource groups present already, but that's all right. If you do not, you can always create a new one. And let's just keep it as AI Gaming Test, for example, here. So there we have it, and now we're good to go. So as soon as we click create, it will set up the resource for us within the Azure portal. And yeah. This is going to take maybe a minute or so, a couple of minutes tops. So as soon as we're done with this, and yeah, the deployment is complete. As soon as we're done with this, we can go to the resource. Here, once you have your resource open, you will end up on the quick start display. From here, do go to keys and endpoint and just copy the key here. Now, when you go to the online code editor, for example, let's just take a new template key here, file here, sorry. Once you go to the template, all you have to do is replace the string present here with the key you have just copied. And there you are, you're good to go. I think I'll just have to change my bot once. And so now we do have a functioning bot, which can check for animals at least. So yeah, that's just how you create your cognitive services computer vision API key.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Aditya. That was a great intro to that. So don't forget, there's that Microsoft template over there which you can use, and that should get you very up to speed with things. And then if you go through the rest of the template, you basically apply the same process, but look into the side things as is being shown right now by Ganesh. As you can see, you have this instructions, and there's this bonus category which you should try utilize to hopefully get you to the winning solution. So we've got about 5 more minutes. Do we have anything else from anyone?
If anyone has any
Oh,
cognitive
yes,
any
I
issues
just
regarding
wanted
the
to
API,
plug in thing. And
sorry.
you guys,
Yeah.
okay, Aditya, you wanted to say something? Just
Yeah, what I was just saying was that in case you have any issues creating the API, the computer vision API key, or any other issues regarding Azure, all of us are present in the AI Gaming Discord server, in the Inspire Discord server, in the AI Gaming channel, so we can always take those queries there as well. And please feel free to reach out even if you think they're very basic queries. Please, these zones are totally free of judgment. You do not need to worry about that. So feel free to ask any question whatsoever.
Yeah, so we're
okay.
expecting to
I
come
just
back.
wanted to and add a last thing, if it's okay. So, if you wanted to, get some reference about this thing, uh, Stephen has a nice little tutorial, and we're gonna provide the tutorial link for you guys, as well as the reference for it, or how you are supposed to do it, can be found over here. If you click on this book icon over here, it will open up programmer's reference thing over here, and it lists all the games, but we should click on match game, and it will give out a full reference of what you're supposed to do. So follow the tutorials, follow these instructions, and we'll meet next time. Okay.
Yeah. Ganesh, can you just point to
Fast
the top
sharing.
right where you need to show them where to submit the code as well?
Okay. Yes. So after you are, after you have mm, created a bot, and after you have made something, and you would need to submit your bot. So I have a template bot over here. If this would load, yes, it has loaded in, and it has the keys filled in. So if you have this thing, you will need to click on this small drop down button over here next to the run button, and this will load up the tournaments which we have over here. And if you click on the tournament test tournament button, it will say that you have successfully submitted. So if you click on OK, and your submission is made, and here trophy kind of an icon is loaded over here, so that you know that this is the template that you have submitted. Don't worry for
Yeah,
submitting the bot in the beginning. If you have submitted once, you can still watch the tutorials
you
and
can keep
upload,
editing.
update.
Yeah,
Yes, you can keep editing this code, and it will automatically take the latest code that the platform finds
that
when
you've
running the
created.
bot. So
Just make sure you
yes,
save it as well, and
yes,
because the last saved code will be considered. So make sure to submit
yes.
it within the time constraint specified. So if we take the test tournament, our test tournament will start at 9:30. So make sure you submit it before 9:30.
Yeah,
And
so that,
also, if you have a
So
syntax error, it won't submit. So please make sure that you have no errors in your code.
yeah.
Yeah.
As Ganesh has done on the side, he has loads of files, so you can utilize that as much as you want. You can't do a separate code editor. You might just want to put it in a separate file in case you lose it. But what you must do is definitely you have to sign up to that link we've given you in the chat so that you submit. If you don't have the tournament pop up, then you won't be able to. Anyway, that should be it. Any final tips from anyone? Because we need to pass on to the next stream, which is going to be happening on the channel as well, which is mixed reality. So you can join that as well. We've got till 9:30 to join the first test tournament, and then we'll have a further tournament. We'll be live back here on the channel, so stay tuned.
And if you guys win the tournament, you get a nice certificate as well. So you'll be like the king of the game.
Yeah.
Cool. Any last words from anyone? You should say that, Nancy.
If you still have issues, please come on the Discord channel and go to the request help channel for AI gaming. We'll be there to assist you with anything, whether it's signing up for Azure, whether it's like playing the game or like submitting code or registering a tournament. Please do come on the Discord.
Yeah, we are in this channel over here, request help, so come join. Event signups is here, sign up for Azure is here, tutorials is just one link pretty much, and then request help, just talk in here. If you need an Azure key, ask us and we'll try to get that sorted. So okay, thank you very much. We need to rush off for the next event and we'll see you later. Thank you very much.
See you soon, guys.
We'll see you soon.
See you all, and may the best person win.
Yes, may the odds be ever
Bye.
in your favor.
That was cheesy.
Have a great day.